Hey guys, what is up? I have a very exciting product to show you today. Mockins sent me out their heavy duty SUV cover to do a review on it. So let's get into the specs, let's get into the details and see what this is all about. Really nice protective bag here to put your cover in when it's not in use. All right, let's get this thing put on. This cover in particular is 190 by 75 by 72 size medium SUV cover. When you finally get your cover all laid out on the ground and you want to know what side goes to the front and what side goes to the rear, one easy way to tell is look for the indents for your mirror covers. And this shows that this portion of the cover is going to be up front and then the rest of that is going to go towards the rear. So let's get this positioned and get it on. With this SUV cover, yes, it is fully waterproof. And with its waterproof exterior and cotton-lined interior, it will keep your car protected from UV rays, snow, sand, sleet, bird droppings, and other debris that may fall on it. When it comes to purchasing a vehicle, that's a big financial investment. And what better way to protect that investment than the Mockins SUV cover.